Here in Chengdu, tea is more than a drink. It's a way of life. From street corners to city parks, tea stalls, like the one exhibited at the festival, are a familiar sight. The art of tea pouring with long-spouted kettles originated in Sichuan over a century ago.
People
in Chengdu are especially fond of tea, most commonly green or floral types, brewed with exceptionally fine and tender young buds. The kettle's long spout cools the boiling water to around 80 degrees Celsius as it pours, just right for these kinds of tea.
I decided to give it a try. One misstep and the water splashed everywhere. Second try, more focused this time. Holding the long, gleaming spout felt a bit like wielding a sword. Graceful yet demanding. Still, my teacher praised me for learning fast. But even a craft as hands-on as tea pouring is getting a high-tech twist. At this booth, a tea-making robot handles the entire process, boiling, brewing, and pouring, with impressive precision. Its moves may be mechanical, but customers say the tea still tastes just right.
Thank you.
This robot learned tea-making techniques from the 17th generation inheritor of the imperial tribute tea tradition, dating back to Emperor Qianlong's era. While there are still slight differences in pour speed, it's getting very close. Young people love seeing heritage skills combined with smart technology. It helps the traditions reach a much broader audience.
The robot is just one part of a bigger vision.
Our priority is to build a smart tea house with not only robot tea masters but also lifelike robots to greet guests, emotional support robot pets, and holographic 3D images of intangible cultural heritage. These robot pandas can smile, cry, and interact with people. Yes, it talks and moves in response to human interaction.
Relaxing in a massage chair that simulates traditional Chinese techniques, I found myself savoring both the warmth of tea poured by a real person and the promise of a futuristic tea house where heritage and innovation go hand in hand. 李琼 CGTN, Chengdu, Sichuan Province.